What's up, y'all? It's your boy chosenonerising, back with another video. I'm excited today, y'all. It feels good out here. It's very windy. Feel good out here. So we're gonna be talking about 369. 369 as in like the Vortex and stuff like that too. So we're gonna talk about what is the 369, how is the 369 used in the world, how do people use it, or how do you mostly see it, and then how can you apply it to your life along with the law of attraction. So with that being said, welcome to Chosen School. Okay, so the first thing we're gonna talk about, I got my notes right here. The first thing we're gonna talk about is that 369 are not physical. They govern the physical world though. So 1 through 9, except 369, are physical, and they are governed by 3, 6, and 9. So let me show you what I mean by that. This is what I mean, y'all. Okay, so right here, this is the 9, this is the 3, and this is the 6. The rest of the ones that aren't circled, those are a part of the physical world. But the 3, 6, and 9 govern those numbers. Really involved with the eye and the vortex. So eye and vortex, when you see the eye in the vortex or in the triangle, that means eye and vortex. You see what I'm saying? You are in the vortex. So when you in the vortex of your life, bro, man, amazing things can happen. You feel me? This is dealing with like sound, frequency, vibrations, and energy. So you have to realize that sound release vibrations or frequencies. This means that it is the control, the standard in which all creation is based. So secret societies know about this, bro. You know what I mean? They're not gonna tell you that secret societies knows about this, but they use it for manipulation and control, bro. And I'm gonna let you know later in the video how that goes. But why do you think you see certain people use it, or certain people that's so-called in these secret societies or so-called Illuminati? I'm gonna talk about that too. And what that means. Like, you see a lot of people doing that. You see a lot of people talking about that. You see a lot of people saying, oh, this person Illuminati when they do this or whatever. But that means eye in the vortex. So they use that for manipulation. But how is the 369 used and resolved around the world? So okay. So we're gonna number the board 1 through 9, just like you seen on the Vortex, and then put your ABCs out. I'm gonna show you how to do it though. So this is what I was talking about, you guys. So you see the 1 through 9 and the ABCs. This is exactly how you should write it. Just to do this research that I'm gonna show y'all, bro. So y'all can, I appreciate it if y'all would tag along. You see how to do it? Okay. So let's start with a big brand, bro. Let's think. Okay, Nike. Let's start with Nike. Okay. So look, in order to spell Nike, use the numbers, okay? And then we're gonna add them up. So N is 5. You see it? N is 5. Okay. I is 9. You see it? I is 9. So 5 plus 9, you guys, if y'all aren't going, you know, along with me. K and E. Okay. So okay, so we're gonna add them all up, y'all. So that's 21. Okay. So 21. But look, this is where it get tricky at. So then you add it again. 21. Three. You see what I'm saying? This is 1. Okay. This is 1. Now we're gonna do another company, you guys. Listen, we're gonna do WWW. Okay. WWW. And that's one. That one is easy. We're gonna do 555. So 5, you know what I mean? That could big change for y'all, you know. So what is 1 plus 5? 6. That's another one. Okay. One more. We're gonna do Amazon. Okay, look, this is where we get tricky at. Listen, bro, I'm gonna draw exactly how Amazon draw their shit. Okay, or at least the best I can. Amazon draw their shit like this, right? They draw their symbol or their logo like this, right? And it's A to Z. You feel me? You see how that is? It's A to Z. You feel me? And you think, oh, this is a smile, but listen, bro. This is where you get deep at. A to Z. So A is 1 and Z is 8. So 1 plus 8, 9. Okay, so we got Amazon, we got Nike, and we got www. So Nike was 3, www was 6, and this one is 9. You see how that is, bro? It's in the Vortex. I want y'all to try Google Chrome. Look at the symbol in Google Chrome. Fox, add those up, and then CIA. See what those is, bro. And watch out. Also remember, know about the number 13 too. The number 13. Think about videos, right? Videos. So like 144. The quality. This is just what I noticed. So we're gonna do 144, 360, 540, 720, the 1080, right? You see this? You're gonna do this, and then you add them all up. So 4 plus 4 is 8, plus 1 more is 9. 360. 3 plus 6, 9. 5 plus 4, 9. 7 plus 2, 9. 1 plus 8, 9. So you see how all of them are 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, right? You see it? So this is a part of the Vortex. Everything is resolved around this. You feel me? Everything is resolved around this. A lot of y'all have listened to like music or some type of sounds that have, 432 hertz, 528 hertz, and so on. So let me tell you how all this stuff is connected. 432 hertz. 528, and 432 hertz reduces anxiety and lowers blood pressure, heart rate, encourages synchronicity, increases creativity, insight, and intuition. 528 deals with like DNA repair, and that's a DNA repair frequency. So the bioenergy for the health and longevity and harmony vibration that is lifts the heart into a frequency of miracles. You see what I'm saying? So I'm gonna show y'all how these numbers, these frequencies add up to 9. Okay. So in these frequencies, I added the numbers, and then I got the answer to them, and then I added the answers together, and this is what I got. You see how it's all 369? Everything really revolves around it, bro. The sun, you know how far is the sun from the earth? And how far it is. You do it with the sun or the moon, you will get 6 for the sun, and then you will get 9 for the moon. So that's something that you can try at home, bro. But back to what these secret societies do. So these secret societies and knowing people know what that means. Like if you use it, they use it to manipulate and control. You see what I'm saying? They really call it the art of manipulation. And most of the time, you're going to see like politicians and people from higher up positions, like any type of president, any type of governor, any type of higher up people. Higher people, bro, like control, like Bill Gates type shit, bro. They use the art of manipulation, bro, with Vortex math to control the crowd, control people, control things, and how things go in the world. You feel me? They use it for bad reasons. Vortex math is a symbol for enlightenment, and people can instantly see someone who is truly enlightened. If you're enlightened, you can be able to see who is like other truly enlightened people, and you can read people and situations. That's something about me. I am a enlightened being. You are enlightened. Nothing's wrong with being enlightened, bro. You feel me, bro? Just use it the right way. But this is how you use it in your manner. This is how you use it for you. You feel me? So you can do mudras. My bad. You can do mudras. So like this is for creation. When you meditate or something like that, and you hold it like this. This is for creation. You feel me? This doesn't drop everything that you think about. This right here is for creation, bro. Fuck what anybody else told you. This is really for creation, bro. You had to try yourself in order to know what really is what. You feel me? And then, you know what I mean? 3, 6, you know what I mean? 9, stuff like that, bro. Those aren't devilish. You just see the wrong people doing it. So when the wrong people doing it, and then the news get around it, oh, Illuminati this, Illuminati that. It pushes you away from it because they don't want you to seek that power and find that shit within you. They don't want you to access these things. I told you, they took this stuff. The Illuminati is when they took our power. We are the illuminated ones. We are the enlightened ones. They took our power and turned it against us, bros, and gave us these religions. I told y'all, bro. And now we seek for this shit, bro. Now you seek for this shit. You see, listen, I dare you, bro. Take risks, bro. Be spontaneous. I need you to go take these risks, bro. Fuck what everybody else told you. Take these risks. Because you will find a lot of things you'll find. Listen, I'm gonna just tell you. Law of attraction plus 369. Okay. So let me just show you. Okay, 3 is the start of creation, bro. This is where, listen, you see how straight it is, right? This is like the base. This is where it balances at. You feel me? So this is the balance. Let me show you how it works. So triangle, put the triangle up, bro. This is a 9 now. A 9 right here. So look, circle it all so you can see. Okay, 369. Okay, so let's say you are poor right now. Poor. Start at 3, because without 3, there will be no 6 and 9, my nigga. So start at 3. Start where you at first. You feel me? We're gonna say 6 is rich, and then say 9 is success. You feel me? Poor is 3, rich is 6, 9 is success. So when you do that, you realize that, okay, like I said, you have to, in order to grow from your situation, you have to be thankful for what you do have. Be thankful for what you do have, bro, first, in order to get more. Be thankful and then take account of like, okay, I'm right here, bro, but I'm not ready to be here for long, bro. You feel me? You're right here, but you're not ready to be here for long. So you have to start at 3. And once you accept everything that comes with 3, bro, and you work towards your goal, stay balanced, you know, work towards your goal, you will get to rich. So once you become rich, you have to accept everything that comes with rich. You know what I mean? What you gotta pay, what you gotta do, the lifestyle, period. You gotta accept everything. So once you accept everything for what it is, you will now then become successful. So 369, that is a blueprint that everybody can follow. You feel me? Think about this though. Why is everyone so unhappy all the time, bro? Because they're not taking accountability. They're not accepting where they are right now. They want to blame somebody else for their problems. Most poor people are people that's going through what they're doing. Blaming their parents, blaming this person, blaming this person. Not taking accountability, not being appreciative of what, you gonna give me this? What about this? Like, you know what I mean? They're not appreciative. So when you're not appreciative, you're not gonna get shit. That's why you're gonna stay poor. You're not accepting everything that come with this. Especially because you put yourself in this position because you got to take accountability for it. You feel me? Then you got to think. Only opposites attract. You will not attract the same people for real. Like only opposites will attract. You ever did the magnets, bro? Did the opposites attract? So let me just make this short. Okay. There's no light without dark. There's no life without death. There's no female without male. You feel me? There is a balance. You need a balance. So in order to have a balance, you need to have positive and negative. And put that together, and that creates that balance. And when you're balanced, think about it. If you're unbalanced, you tilt into the side. If you're balanced, you're right where you need to be. So when you balance, you can go forward. It's like a bike. When you balance, that's a perfect example. When you balance, you can go straight to where you need to go, your destination. Staying balanced on your level, bro. Being appreciative of what you do have and taking accountability for shit. And you going straight. You feel me? You got to stay balanced in order to reach that wealthiness and then success. Simple. So the ways I add 369 in my life, you know, along with the law of attraction, bro. Law of attraction is dealing with seeing it, feeling it, knowing that you already have it, knowing that everything is energy. You can have anything that you want in this world, bro. Everything that's internal is external, bro. It's obvious. Everything, your body is a projector. So whatever you are, you attract. You feel me? So, but opposites do attract at the same time. But you have to be appreciative of what you do have, bro. Know that everything is energy, so you can have anything that you want. You just been limited by the matrix, or whatever you want to call it, by the programming system to be lower, to be nothing, to not get to your full potential, to follow what everybody else is doing, not to be your own person, and not live your own purpose. And at the same time, it's sad, but you come to realization from chosen one. You feel me? So lineup is usually for males. Say if your lineup is usually like your lineup is usually, let's say, $12, right? Or $10. Say your lineup usually $10, bro. Tip the barber, give him $2 more, or give him $5 more, bro. And then you divide that by 3. You divide 12 by 3, you get what? 4. You divide 5 by 3, you do what? I mean, you get what? 5. You feel me? So 5 times 3 is 15. 3 times 4 is 12. You see what I'm saying? Just do things like that, bro. Anytime you can. Anything, bro. When I listen, I did 3 separate subjects. You see how that is, bro? You see how easy it is? 3 separate subjects. You feel me? 3 separate topics in this one video. You feel me? I work out, do 3 sets, or do a reps that's divisible by 3. You feel me? Like 3 pots of food for 9 people. Everybody get 3 things. You feel me? Things like that, bro. Use it in your life as in when you ready to do shit. Like working out. You know what I mean? Buying food, tipping people. Say if you work out Do three different activities a day. Say if you making yourself a meal, do 3 things, 3 separate portions of what you eating, like protein, you know what I mean, vegetables and whatever. You feel me? 3 separate things. You see what I'm saying, bro? Just add that like the trilogy, the 3, mind, body, and soul, bro. You gotta realize that, bro. 3, 6, 9. You feel me? Listen, it's good, bad, and neutral. You feel me? That's just all it's about, bro. Just add it to your life any way you can and do things in 3s, bro. And you will find yourself, and you add that with the law of attraction and believing in yourself, bro, and reprogram your subconscious mind, my nigga. You can achieve anything. You feel me? But like Spider-Man said, what he say? With great power comes great responsibility. You know what I mean? Knowledge is power. So it's how you use your knowledge. Use your knowledge to help people to become their greatest version. Use your knowledge to actually help people, not to break people. Help people, build your people up, man, so we can get to where we need to go, bro. I told y'all how to do it, bro. Y'all have any questions, make sure y'all DM me at chosenonerising. And wait, before you leave, make sure that you watch this video right here. You see this video? Watch it right now. The link is in my description. I love y'all, man. Chosen One Rising, signing out.